Hey, Domain Central fam, ever wondered how the pros consistently snag those high-value domain names while others are left scratching their heads? What if I told you the secret weapon isn't just market savvy, but cutting-edge artificial intelligence? Let's be honest, valuing a domain name can feel like more art than science. You've got so many factors to consider. Is it short and memorable? Does it contain high-demand keywords? What about the TLD? Is it a .com or a hot new .io? Then there's the age, the market demand, even its backlink profile and existing traffic. Traditionally, this meant hours of manual research, sifting through marketplace data, or even hiring expensive brokers. It's time-consuming, prone to human error, and frankly, it can be exhausting. But what if there was a way to cut through the noise, analyze massive amounts of data in seconds, and get clear, actionable insights? Enter artificial intelligence. So, AI's superpower is really its ability to process and find patterns in vast datasets that, honestly, would take us weeks to analyze. For domain investing, this is a total game changer. Alright, here's how you can start leveraging it today. Step 1, gather your data. You need raw sales data. Platforms like NameBio, GoDaddy Auctions, or Sedo are excellent sources for historical domain sales. Just export these reports and really, the more data, the better. Next up, step 2, feed it to the AI. Now, open up your favorite AI language model, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, whatever you prefer. Copy your raw sales data and paste it in. Then, just give it a clear prompt. Okay, so here's what you might say. Analyze this list of sold domain names. Identify common keywords, top-level domains, and length patterns among the highest priced sales. Provide actionable insights for future domain acquisitions. Then, the AI will process all of this. It'll highlight patterns you might not have noticed before. For instance, it could point out that domains containing words like tech, smart, or AI are, consistently selling for higher prices. Or maybe it'll show you that shorter brandable names with a .com or even a .io extension are really outperforming others. Step 3, actionable insights. And honestly, this is where the magic happens. The AI doesn't just throw data at you, it actually gives you insights. It helps you understand why certain domains are selling, so you can make smarter decisions when you're buying or pricing your own domains for sale. This moves you from just guessing to, well, a data-driven strategy, hugely increasing your chances of making a profitable flip. But AI's utility doesn't stop at valuation. You can also use it for idea generation. Stuck on finding a brandable name? Well, just ask AI to generate creative domain name ideas based on your niche and the trends it just identified. Risk mitigation is super important. While you should always do your own legal due diligence, AI can even help you quickly scan for potential trademark issues by analyzing names against existing databases, giving you an early warning. Remember, AI is a powerful tool to augment your expertise, not replace it. It helps you work faster, smarter, and with more confidence in the dynamic world of domain investing. So, if you want to unlock hidden profits and make smarter domain investments, start leveraging AI for your valuation process. It's really about working smarter, not just harder. If you found this guide valuable, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your likes tell YouTube this content is helpful, and that helps us reach more aspiring domain investors. Share this video with anyone who needs to hear about the power of AI in this market. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Domain Central and hit that bell so you're always first in line for our cutting-edge strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!